Hi guys, today I want to share something interesting about the seedlings. I find it very interesting. I did this experiment recently and then yeah, I find it very interesting to share with you also. By the way, these are the seedlings of soybeans. Okay, so these are the seedlings of soybeans. I shown them on this cocoa bits and then garden soil mixed in this glass jar. So initially they were in the same height. So they were in the same height, but uh, later on, what I've observed is that this height differences. So let me explain you quickly. So this you might have noticed about those tiny leaf like yeah, those tiny leaf parts of seedlings. So I'm talking about this structure. So these are called cotyledons, and then but here in this plant we have two, and then this plant we have only one, and then here we don't have one. So what I did is that I removed both of them, and here I removed only one, and then from this plant I didn't remove any. So and then I did this like when they were in the same height, and then after some few days we can see these height differences. So the one which I didn't remove any, this is the longest one, and then the second longest one is that which I removed only one. So and then this one which I removed both of the cotyledons, this is the shortest one. So from this experiment we are clear that these cotyledons are super important for early plant growth. So what they do is that they store and provide nutrients to the young plant before true leaves form. So what are true leaves? These are the true leaves. So one example that I can show you from here is that, see, before true leaves, that we all know these are cotyledons. This is how it get from. But here this cotyledon is a little bit yellowish in color because it isn't exposed to sun, and then never seed coat covered on it. So I just removed before this video. So this is yellowish in color, but it should be green in color like this. So before true leaves, they do the photosynthesis here, and then provide the seedlings by nourishing these seedlings. So think of them as the seedlings' first meal. Without them, the plant can kickstart healthy growth. This is what I would like to share with you all. Hope you find it interesting. But for me, this is quite interesting. This is the height difference that I'm showing it again. So protect this cotyledon from any other insect pests, and also from from fungus. So if when you keep this apart from keeping your soil healthy, you should also protect these cotyledons.